Hello everyone. When you are making so many dumplings, you want to see something different. So grab the tweezer because you have it in the house and come to the kitchen with me. We make special dumplings today. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So if you want to read recipe, head over to description box below. I already made two, but now I will show you how I made them. This is the dough, the recipe for the dough in the description box below. I incorporated mashed calabaza. Calabaza is also called West Indian pumpkin. That is a kind of pumpkin, very delicate and sweet and yellow orangey, very nice texture. I love calabaza. So I just cook calabaza and I mashed them and then incorporated in the dough. And this dough has sourdough starter in it. I developed the taste for sourdough wrapper for dumplings. It's very nice. It made thin and elastic dough. When you do just dough, flour and water, it's a little crumbly, but if you incorporated sourdough starter in it, the dough come out perfect. So I just divided the dough, and normally it is 40 grams. I do for the size of the dumplings I like, but you can make bigger or you can make smaller. It's your kitchen, your dumplings, whatever you want to make, you make. This is the stuffing. I have the recipe in the description box below as well. This is pork stuffing. So I roll the dough out about rectangular shape and I brush with water so that they stick better. And after this, I added stuffing inside. I rolled into the tube like this. And now I will show you the fun part. I use a tweezer and go along. This is I do crosswise. I just gradually grab some dough, and that's it. It's instantly created holes for me, and the two holes I will connect them in the middle like so, and it come out special. That's for 2 rows. So we make few more rows. I don't need to make the whole roll because when the dumpling presented, you won't see the bottom of it. So you don't need to make the bottom as well. So I have like a few rows now, and I will put down to see the pattern on visible, or I need to do more. When I turn the other round, around, I see that I need to do one more row. And I think that's good enough for now. And I will lay down and see. You can see, you see the pattern on around. So because I want every dumpling exactly the same, so I use the first one that I made as a measurement standard for my next one. So when I cut them, the stuffing oozes out. You just use something, chopstick or the knife, to push it back. Same with the other piece. And that's it. Continue making more in this fashion, and very easy and fast. And we are ready for steamer. You keep watching me making more, and this time I will go lengthwise. I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I like everything: cooking, baking, gardening, home improvement. If I know anything, I will share them with you here. So please subscribe to show your support. Thank you. At first, I wanted to do some honeycomb shape, but after I used the tweezer, I saw they look like a waffle. I asked my husband, "Does it look honeycomb?" And he said, "No, it looks waffle." So I will name it Waffle-look dumpling. Do you agree? And I think I'm done for the dumplings. You can see if you eat for one go this way, it's essential for, it's adequate for a meal. If you want to make more, you can store them first in the freezer, spread them around so that they don't touch each other, and after they froze, you can stack them in the container and leave there. They are good for a few months. Anytime your friends drop by, you can treat them unexpectedly, easily. With this stuffing and dough like this, it takes about 6 to 8 minutes. You don't want to steam too long, they will collapse. Don't hold the shape for you. And you don't want less than 6 minutes because it will not cook. So now I present the food on the tray, and I have some yellow roses from my garden. This rose is called Sweet Jane. You can see it, very nice presentation, don't you think? You are invited to taste with me. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you soon on many next videos. Come back soon. Bye bye.